guys! Welcome to my vlog. Teddy is sleeping. We are here in Mati, Dahican. And today we are here in somewhere in Dahican. Yung name ng beach is somewhere in Dahican. Look at our room. Kung may narinig kayo, si JR po yun. Dito kami mag-stay sa Shanty. Shanty. Baliktad ang camera. So, I will tour you around. Ang price pala ng room namin is 3,800. Matutulog kami sa isang camper van. Actually, we want this place sana, itong Irie. Gusto sana namin to, pero sabi nila na-book na daw. Pero sinabihan namin yung nagbubook na pag hindi nila kukunin, magta-transfer kami. Sana pumayag sila. However, ang available is ito na lang Shanty. Itong Shanty na lang na accommodation. Tutur po namin kayo. Ang ganda-ganda po ng place na ito. It's very relaxing. Hindi siya overrated. So, join us today as I tour you around. Hi to my vlog. This is our kitchen. We have our own kitchen. There is a honesty store also here. If you did not bring anything, meron din kaming water dispenser, so you can book what yung bibilihin nyo. This is our toilet. It's a very mabangong toilet. So dito merong something na upuan. And this is where we sleep tonight. Sa old camping van. And Teddy is sleeping. Merong aircon sa baba. And this is the beach. Pwede namin kayo i-tour sa beach. See? Actually, pumunta lang kami dito na walang pagkain, walang dalang anything. So, hilo na daw si JR. See? Ang ganda nitong Irie. And this is our beach. Mamaya, maganda daw yung sunset. Kanina nag-picture-picture kami ni JR. Okay. I hope you like this one. Yeah.
I like our hotel because we can cook here. We can go upstairs. We can do the things we like in our hotel.
You like here?
Yeah.
You like our vacation here in Davao? What else? What did you do when you arrived? Did you sleep well? Look at the sunset, oh. It's very nice.
Hi
Teddy?
guys, welcome to our vlog. We're in Davao Mati in Atorial
Oriental?
City.
What do you see here in Mati?
This is the beach
And where do you stay?
in a van.
How do you like the place?
School.
Why? What else? What else?
And it's cozy.
Wait, inuubong daddy.
Water.
No, drink water.
What time is it, Teddy?
9 o'clock.
Mommy, what time is it?
I think 9 o'clock. Can you hear the waves, Teddy? Do you like our place?
I can feel the air.
Yeah. Daddy, you can drink water.
Can you tour us, roam around the place?
So this is how it will look like
Kapitbahay.
pag gabi. This is our kapitbahay. Teddy is noisy.
Wise roots, from strong roots we rise, learning and growing, reaching the skies. Pixel spark adventure, rise and lead. Curious minds begin to grow. Wise roots, where wise leaders grow.